You did it! You've transformed from a coding beginner into a loop superhero. Let's celebrate everything amazing you've learned this week. Give yourself a huge celebration. You've mastered one of programming's most powerful tools, the for loop. This is a massive achievement. Remember where we started? Writing the same line 100 times? Now you can do that with just 2 lines of loop magic. That's the power you now possess. Look at everything you conquered this week. Basic for loops, the range function with its stop sign rule, 3 powerful patterns, building, accumulating, and processing, plus memory tracing skills. This is a landmark moment. You've unlocked iteration, the fundamental concept that makes computers incredibly powerful. You can now automate repetitive tasks like a pro. Remember, with great loop power comes great responsibility. Use your new skills to solve real problems and help others. Get ready for next week because your loop powers are about to level up even more. We're diving into nested loops and creating amazing 2-dimensional patterns. You're officially a loop master. For loops eliminate repetitive code, range creates sequences with the stop sign rule, 3 patterns solve most problems, and memory tracing reveals loop secrets.